1 year ago, I decided to take coding seriously. Before that, I was just coding for fun. Today, I'm building my own expense tracker in public. In this year, I learned a lot, and I really wish I had known some of these things earlier. So without further ado, here are 5 things 1 year of coding taught me. Number 1. Don't think something is too difficult. This point is actually very simple. There's a solution for almost every problem out there, and especially in 2026, we have so many tools to help us, including AI. I'll talk more about AI later, so make sure to watch until the end. The most important thing is this: you only grow by doing hard things. If you only code things you already know, you won't improve. For example, if you already know how to build a calculator and you only keep building calculators, that doesn't make sense if your goal is to get better. Number 2. Consistency is key. You've probably heard this before. It takes thousands of hours to master a skill. At first, that sounds demotivating. But if you code just for 1 or 2 hours a day over a long period of time, you'll get there. And it's not only about the goal, it's also about enjoying the process. One important part of consistency is using your time efficiently. That's why I wouldn't recommend coding at 3 AM when you're completely exhausted. Yes, I know, you really want to fix that annoying bug, but sometimes it's better to stop and go to bed. The next morning you will often realize that the solution was actually simple. You were just too tired to see it. Number 3. Projects are more worth than tutorials. This one is basic but extremely important. If you're only watching tutorials, you're not really making progress. Watching someone else code won't build your app. And if you think you're learning a lot just by watching tutorials, here's the truth. You learn by coding yourself, not by watching others code. In real projects, you will face completely different problems and errors than the ones shown in tutorials. So start a real project and you'll improve much faster. That being said, tutorials can still be useful if you're stuck on a specific problem. In that case, watching a tutorial can definitely be worth your time. Number 4. Start hard. This might sound strange at first, but it actually makes a lot of sense. If you only build projects that require skills you already mastered, you won't learn anything new. Don't build the millionth calculator or the billionth tic-tac-toe game. Instead, think of a real problem you have or an app you like but think is too expensive. Then try to build your own version of it. Yes, it's hard, and yes, it takes time, but it's far more rewarding than building another useless minigame, and you'll improve your skills a lot. Number 5. Don't vibe code. Don't get me wrong, AI is an amazing tool, but if all you do during your coding sessions is copy and paste code, you won't learn anything. If you want to improve quickly, use AI the right way. Ask it to explain the code, ask why a certain method is used, and ask when you should use it and when you shouldn't. If you do that, you won't need to ask ChatGPT how to center a div every single time, because you'll actually understand it. These 5 lessons helped me a lot during my first year of coding. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. If you're interested in the app I'm currently building, watch the video on your screen next.